Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Pashanik Hair Studio. How are you all? I hope all of you will be fine and doing good. Dear viewers and dear subscribers, today's videos collection is all about short pixie bob haircuts, head shapes and undercuts, and also cheek length haircuts and hairstyles, designs, ideas. Dear viewers, I always try to bring a latest video and latest designs ideas for you about latest fashions and haircuts, designs, ideas. Hopefully, viewers, you also like these bangs, haircuts, and beautiful and stylish one-sided haircuts and beautiful undercuts collection. Dear viewers, if you like, then also please like my video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more videos and more designs. Dear viewers, you will see these haircuts and different celebrities with beautiful stylish haircut according to their face shape and their age. So viewers, you will see different haircuts according to different ages, like 40 plus and 50 plus ages haircuts you also see in this video. And dear viewers, you also see different haircuts according to face shape. You will see different haircuts like bowl haircuts for round face shape, oval face shape haircuts, undercuts, side cuts, bangs cuts, and blonde hair color and hairstyle designs ideas you also will see in this video. Hopefully, dear viewers, these videos will be going very impressive and stylish for you. Dear viewers, if you like this video and collections of haircuts and hairstyles, then also please like my video. And dear viewers, subscribe to my channel for more videos and more designs. And see you soon again with another video and another collections of latest and trendiest short pixie bob haircuts and hairstyles for women and girls of 2024. Goodbye viewers.